This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Football Series 2, one box eBay break. November 9th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Pit P Red with the Vikings and Titans. D Laker 1 with the Redskins. Butchweed 1283 with the Jaguars and Giants. Choppich 2005 with the 49ers and Seahawks. 123 JAA with the Buccaneers. Ed Cards 5 with the Bears and Cowboys. TMO.T Moses with the Ravens, Dolphins, Eagles, and Falcons. Steel City 512 with the Steelers. Brady Kroll with the Broncos, Chiefs, Chargers, Rams, Panthers, Bengals, Browns, and Texans. Patty Boys White Collectibles with the Jets. BC Scarface 808 with the Saints. SCCON_1233 with the Patriots. Rossetti 03 with the Raiders. Henry C 27302010 with the Colts. Shipley Baldwin 24 with the Packers. GVSU 333 with the Lions. Brady Kroll also with the Cardinals and the Bills. And that is your full lineup. Okay. 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Football Series 2. We got 3 autograph memorabilia pieces in this box. We've got an autographed jersey, autographed mini helmet, and an autographed 16 by 20 photographs. So let's go ahead and get our box open. Love this break with the multiple memorabilia pieces. Alright, box being opened here. Let's get the packing material out of there. And we're going to slide it over just a little bit here. We're going to get our mini helmet out and our jersey. There's our mini helmet and jersey there, guys. And let's see if I can get this photo out of here. Box out of the way. Alright, there we go. Alright, well, let's start with our mini helmet here. We got the 49ers. So the Niners striking first. There's your auto. That is, Nick Bosa. Very nice Nick Bosa autograph mini helmet Niners. Beckett COA there. And Beckett COA on the inside. So Niners striking first. Beautiful Nick Bosa. 49ers owned by Choppich 2005. Congrats. Beautiful Nick Bosa. Autographed mini helmet. The Niners. Your autographed jersey. There is your auto. Beckett COA. And Taysom Hill for the Saints. So very nice Taysom Hill. The Saints autographed jersey. And Saints owned by BC Scarface 808. Congrats. Beautiful Taysom Hill autograph jersey. So Niners and the Saints strike first. And now we've got our autograph 16 by 20 photograph here. So let's go ahead and get that open. Alright, these photographs are always beautiful, so here we go. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, Hall of Fame 71 inscription there. Let's see that there a little bit there. There's your auto right there. PSA DNA COA there. Yes, that's Y.A. Tittle. That's who I thought that was. Y.A. Tittle. It's got the Hall of Fame 71 inscription on there as well. That will be going to the Giants. Just making sure here. Come on. Yeah, going to the Giants. All right. Giants owned by Butchweed1283. Congrats. Very nice. Y.A. Tittle autograph 16 by 20 photograph. So, we had your Y.A. Tittle autograph 16 by 20 photo, guys. Beautiful. We had your Taysom Hill autographed jersey for the Saints. And we had your Nick Bosa autographed mini helmet for the 49ers. So, 3 beautiful autographed memorabilia pieces. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, we got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long, so please don't miss out on those. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. It really means a lot. Please be smart. Be safe out there.